students. Now today we are going to write the textbook part for chapter 1 adverbs. See here students, form adverbs from the following adjectives: cheap, cheaply, right? So write down CHEAPLY, cheaply. Then quick, quickly, QUICKLY, quickly. Then slow, slowly, SLOWLY, slowly. Easy, easily, EASILY, easily. Next, angry, angrily, ANGRILY, angrily. Okay. Then happy, happily, HAPPILY, happily. Next, lucky, luckily, LUCKILY, luckily. Probable, probably, PROBABLY, probably. Terrible, terribly, TERRIBLY, terribly. Okay. Gentle, gently, GENTLY. Next, economic, economically, ECONOMICALLY, economically. Tragic, tragically, TRAGICALLY, okay, tragically. Turn the next page. Underline the adverb in these sentences and write their types. So we have to underline the adverb. She accidentally deleted my file. So what is the adverb here? Yes, accidentally, right? So underline. What type of adverb is this? Yes, it is adverb of frequency. Okay. Adverb of frequency. FREQUENCY, frequency. Next, the patient is sleeping soundly. So what is the adverb here? Yes, the adverb is soundly. Underline soundly. What type of adverb is this? Adverb of manner. Write down adverb of manner. MANNER, manner. Okay. Now see the third question. She ate the chocolate greedily. So adverb is greedily. Underline. What type of adverb? Yes, adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. MANNER, manner. Next, the boy was knocked over by a school bus. Okay. What is the adverb here? Over. Underline over. What type of adverb? Yes, adverb of place. Adverb of place. Adverb of place. PLACE, place. Next, they rushed out when fire broke out in the floor below. So what is the adverb here? Out. Two adverbs. Okay. Out. Then below. Okay. So out. What type of adverb? Yes, both place. Adverb of place. So here there is no place. So shall we write here? Adverb of place. 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 Next. They had to act fast to save them. What is the adverb given here? Fast. Underline fast. What type of adverb? Yes. Adverb of manner. ADV. Adverb of manner. 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 Next. He collapsed yesterday. So, adverb is yesterday. Underline yesterday. What type of adverb is this? Adverb of time, no? ADV. Adverb of time. 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 Okay. Next. His factory was burned down a few months ago. So here what? The adverb. A month ago, right? A few months ago is the adverb. So due to no place here, let's write here. Okay. Adverb. Adverb of time. This is. Mention time. Okay. TIME. Time. Next. He called yesterday. He called yesterday. Adverb is yesterday. And what type of adverb is this? Adverb of time. No? Adverb of time. 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 Next. The train will arrive soon. What is the adverb? Soon. Here. Same. Adverb of time. No? Adverb of time. 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 Next. While he was in Japan, he frequently phoned home. So, what is the adverb here? Frequently. Okay. So, what type of adverb? Yes, adverb of frequency. ADV. Adverb of frequency. 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 Okay. Next, 12th question. The victim nearly died from his injuries. So, what is the adverb here? See here? Yes, adverb is nearly, right? So, underline nearly. What type of adverb is this? Adverb of degree. No. Adverb of degree this is. Okay. DEGREE. Adverb of degree. Sometimes he stays late in the office to complete his work. So here in this sentence, what is the adverb? Yes, sometimes. Underline sometimes. So what type of adverb is this? Adverb of frequency. Okay. Shall we write here? Adverb of frequency. 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 He hardly ever says something nice to anyone. Say. Adverb is, see, hardly. Okay. What type of adverb? Manner, no. Adverb of manner. MANNER. E-R, manner. Okay. Nikita moved hurriedly to answer the telephone. What type of adverb is this? See here, students. Nikita moved hurriedly to answer the telephone. So what is the adverb here? Yes, hurriedly. What type of adverb? Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. M-A-N-N-E-R, manner. Next, her daughter is quite fat for her age. So, what is the adverb here? Quite. So, what type of adverb? Degree. Adverb of degree. D-G-R-E-E, degree. Okay. He strove hard to reach the top. So, what is the adverb here? Hard. Okay. What type of adverb? Adverb of manner, right? M-A-N-N-E-R, manner. Next, we write to each other very occasionally. So, occasionally is the adverb, no? So, what type of adverb? Yes, it is adverb of frequency. A-D-V, adverb of frequency. F-R-E-Q-U-E-N-C-Y, frequency. Peter seldom reads books. So, what type of adverb? Yes, sorry. Here adverb is seldom. What type of adverb? Adverb of frequency. F-R-E-Q-U-E-N-C-Y, frequency. Next, the referee had to stop the match when it began to rain very heavily. So, the adverb is heavily. What type of adverb? Adverb of degree. D-G-R-E-E. Okay. And now turn the next page. Write the adverb. We must not reach there later than 7 o'clock. So, what is the adverb here? Yes, later, no? So, write here L-A-T-E-R, later. Okay. Next, you speak more loudly than him. Adverb is more loudly. So, write here more, L-O-U-D-L-Y, more loudly. Sirius shines more brightly than the other stars. So, what is the adverb here? More brightly, no? More brightly. More brightly, right here. M-O-R-E-B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y. More brightly. Next. He arrived the earliest, so he had to wait. So, what is the adverb? Yes, most. See here, he arrived the earliest. So, earliest is the adverb. Okay. Now, you have to write E-A-R-L-I-E-S-T, earliest. Next. Of all the girls, your sister sang most sweetly. So, adverb is most sweetly. So, write here most sweetly. S-W-E-E-T-L-Y. Okay. Most sweetly. And now turn on the next page. Fill in the correct adverb form, comparative or superlative, of the adjectives in brackets. I speak English fluent. So we have to write the comparative form or superlative. Okay. So fluent. Fluent means more fluent or most fluent. We can write more fluently. M-O-R-E, more. F-L-U-E-N-T-L-Y, fluently. Okay. She greeted me dash of all. Here bracket, polite. Most politely. Okay. M-O-S-T, most. P-O-L-I-T-E-L-Y, most politely. Okay. Next, Raja saw the tortoise crawling. Dash than lizard. Slow is the word given here. We have to write the comparative or superlative. Slow, more slowly. More, M-O-R-E, more. Slowly, S-L-O-W-L-Y. Okay. This girl dances dash of all. Graceful is the word given here. So the comparative and superlative, any one we have to write. You can write most, more. This is superlative form. Okay. The girl dances dash of all means superlative. So superlative, what we have to add? Most. No? M-O-S-T, most. G-R-A-C-E-F-U-L, most graceful. Okay. Could you write dash here? Clear. Could you write more clearly? M-O-R-E, more. C-L-E-A-R-L-Y, clearly. Planes can fly dash than birds. High is the word given here. Higher. No? H-I-G-H-E-R, higher. Next, he had an accident last year. Now he drives careful. Dash than before. So the bracket, careful. More carefully. More carefully. C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y, more carefully. Jim can run fast than John. Jim can run fast, faster. F-A-S-T-E-R, faster. Okay. Our team played dash of all. Bad here. Bad, worse, worst. Right. So we can write superlative. W-O-R-S-T, worst. Okay. He worked dash than ever before. Hard, harder, hardest. So we can write the comparative form. H-A-R-D-E-R, harder than ever before. Okay, students, write everything neatly and send to us in the WhatsApp group. Have a nice day.